Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. Step by step, so you can easily integrate your email marketing with your website in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to grow your subscriber list, send newsletters automatically, or manage your email campaigns right from your WordPress dashboard, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a login option. Click on that and you'll be taken to the WordPress login screen. Here, you can log in normally or choose the also continue with Google option if you've linked your site that way. Selecting this option makes it easier since you don't have to remember extra passwords. Just pick your Google account from the list and sign in. After logging in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management tools live: posts, pages, plugins, and everything else that keeps your site running. Now, look for the menu on the left-hand side and scroll until you find the Tools section. Clicking on Tools opens up a list of options that help you configure your website and connect it to other services. This is where integrations like Mailchimp are managed. Once you're in the Tools section, head over to Ocean Marketing. This area is designed for all your marketing-related settings: email lists, campaigns, social media connections, and more. You'll see a few tabs here, but the one we want is Connections. Click on What Connections, and you'll find a list of external services you can integrate with WordPress. Scroll down through the list until you see Mailchimp. Right next to it, you'll notice a Connect icon button. Go ahead and click that. A new window will pop up asking you to sign in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp username and password and then authorize the connection. Don't worry, this process is completely secure and ensures that your website and Mailchimp can safely share data. Once you've successfully connected, your Mailchimp account is now linked to WordPress. That means you can start adding sign-up forms to your pages, automatically send updates to your subscribers, and even manage your email campaigns directly from your dashboard. With this integration, your WordPress site and Mailchimp work hand in hand, saving you time, improving your communication, and helping you grow your audience faster. And that's it. You've just connected Mailchimp to WordPress in a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.